Welcome back for another video. If you've been anxiously waiting for these uploads, welcome back. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to miss any other uploads, but it's coming along here. So this was the dining room area. The movers went for lunch, so got a couple minutes, but this was the dining room. Boxes were up to about here, and I'm 6'3", so those are all gone. Basement looks a lot larger than I remember it, and getting rid of all the patio stuff too. This also might be the first time people have been in shoes in our house since we bought the house. What's this thing? I'll get a better shot of the garage when the rest of the stuff is cleared out, but wow, I think my couch is over there wrapped up. It's wild. I had camping chairs there. They must have packed it. Overall, pretty empty. If you've been around with all the videos in the garage, it's empty. Mostly. I'll get a better shot. We'll be back with when everything's completely gone. Good luck. Movers are gone. It took a lot longer than we were expecting it to take. It was about 8-hour day. Hopefully these guys get paid by the hour, which would make sense so they don't rush to get the job done and break anything. It's a good idea if you have a moving company. It's empty. Wow. Let's actually go look at the garage, where if you were already subscribed to the channel for the car content, this would be the most familiar thing to you, because that means nothing to you. You have no idea how it looked beforehand. It's empty. That's all stuff coming with us. Wow. Wow. So that's stage 1 of the move. Stage 2 will be the RV, I guess, which is not today. Whew. So I might condense this. I'm not sure. Wow, that echo was crazy. I might condense this into one video. Not too sure yet. Probably just for ease of editing for myself. But obviously you see the garage is completely empty. That's the case because we're moving. Just want to try to repack this. I just want to try to repack the 190E because I forgot to tell them to take the bumpers, which they would have taken, but I forgot to tell them to take that. I messed up on that one. Take some stuff out of the truck. I want to make sure I take the Easy Pass out, so when they go through tolls, we don't get charged for it because Easy Pass. And ooh, there's one in the 190 also, now that I'm looking. So stuff like that, just try to get it all set to go because the car transport is supposed to come today. I don't know what time yet. I think I have the guy's number. I might give him a call a little later just to get like a general idea, because hopefully it's not like 9 o'clock tonight, because that would suck. Easy Pass. USB wire. I think there's another one in here. I don't know what this other wire is, but we're going to take that too. I think there's a Leatherman in here somewhere. Here before I forget. Ow. Yep. There's a couple things I want to throw in the truck. I think this was going in the truck, and I guess nothing else. I'm gonna give some stuff to my parents and my wife's parents. I think are gonna take some stuff, but yeah. All right, so it's after 9 o'clock, and the whole trailer fiasco, which I will go over in another video when we finally get to Utah. But the whole trailer fiasco, different guys here to pick up the cars. Just got here. Oh, we got the RV. It's very dark out, obviously. You can't see a thing. But the RV is here, whatever you can see. I will make a video on that. I'm not gonna go film it because it's gonna be way too dark, but there's a brand new Bronco on the trailer, so at least the cars will have good company. See you in the morning. Well, I might end it here. I don't know yet. I tried. It's way too dark. Try to get a picture. Well, I'll insert this picture that I took with my phone, which is just with the Bronco on the trailer. I'll see if I can get a picture with all the cars on it.